Hello friends, you won't be able to create an ASP.NET Web application after installing Visual Studio 2022. Needs to be installed .NET Framework functionality. I will show how to do this in this lesson. Start Visual Studio 2022. Click on create new project. ASP.NET. You can see there is no option to create ASP.NET Web application. In that case, first of all, go to continue to the web, go to tools menu and click on get tools and features, and here you can see this window. If you don't see this window, you must see this window. Just click on modify. Yes, then you can see this window. In this window, click on individual component and then write .NET Framework. Yes, select the SDK and targeting pack and .NET Framework project and item template, and then click on modify. Click on continue. Okay, it will take several minutes, please wait. Okay, now it's done. Close the window and then close the Visual Studio. Run the Visual Studio again. Yes, let's create a new project. Here you can see the ASP.NET Form application is displaying and .NET Framework is newly added. Now select and click on next. Name the project. Project name will be first web application. Select the directory where it will be stored. The application will be created. Developer F directory. And click on create web form. Click on create. Okay, it's creating the project. Okay, you can see the project is created successfully, and let's check the solution explorer with a good view in browser. Click on yes. This is displaying the SSL and certificate installation. Okay, you can see it's displaying the browser. Let's see the design. This is the design of the default .aspx and this is the CS file, code file. Hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.